Okay, so good morning everyone. Today we will be talking about a new topic in algebra entitled Evaluating Algebraic Expressions. Before we proceed, let us first observe the two situations given on the slide. So, on the first given, meron tayong given statement. We have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. No, so, what we're going to do is to represent this statement in a multiplication statement and as well as this part. No, so if we have 5 plus 5 plus 5, if we are to write this one in multiplication statement, no, so you already know that this will become 3 times 5. No, so bakit naging 3 times 5? Because we have 3 uh 3 times, no? Ayan, 3 pieces. Ayan, so meron tayong tatlong lima dito sa ating given. So that's why it's 3 times 5. And on this part, no, lagyan ko lang ng plus dito para to separate the two. Then we also have here dalawang 3. So therefore, this is 2 times 3. No po, so kaya if you have these two statements, the results will still be the same, no? So 3 times 5 is 15 and 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 is the same as 15 plus 6, which is equal to 21. Okay, so it's 21. Now, on the next statement, no, instead of having 5 plus 5 plus 5, no, meron tayong a plus a plus a. And instead of having 3 plus 3, meron tayo ditong b plus b. So, if we are to write this in a multiplication statement, same as what we did earlier, no, dahil may tatlong piraso tayo ng a, no, or a plus a, kung i-consider nyo yung ating addition of similar terms. No, so 3 times a, or we already know that this is 3a, diba? Then, we have b plus b, kung i-consider natin tong una nating statement. No, so it's 2, dalawang piraso kasi, ng b. Okay? Then, if you're going to identify, or if you're going to simplify, no, 2 times b, no, is simply 2b. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, when we replace real numbers or sabihin natin integers with variables, no, the result becomes an algebraic expression, no. So for today, no, imbes na ang gagawin natin is yung numbers, papalitan natin ng letters to come up with an algebraic expression, reverse process ang gagawin natin. Given an algebraic expression, magbibigay tayo ng value ng variables to come up with a single number as its equivalent. No? So, dyan na papasok yung ating evaluating. No po? So, from the word itself, evaluate, no, we give value, no, to algebraic expressions. Paano? Kasi bibigyan natin ng value yung kanyang mga variables. Okay, so in evaluating, there are two steps involved. The first step is to replace the variables, okay, with the known value. So tatandaan, no, since variables lang pong papalitan, ibig sabihin the rest of the algebraic expression, meaning yung ating operations, and also yung mga exponents, no? So, preserved siya. Okay? Then, the next step, syempre, dahil preserved yung operations na yon, we will perform the given operations following its order, no? So, familiar siguro kayo sa tinatawag na PEMDAS, no? So, P stands for parenthesis or yung grouping symbols natin. So, marami yung grouping symbols. You also have E for exponent. Then, multiplication, division, following the order of left to right. No, kung multiplication and division lang ang given. And addition and subtraction, following din po yung left to right na order. Okay? So, let us start with the first example, no? So, evaluate P plus 2Q plus 3R if P equals 2, Q equals 4, and R equals negative 5. So, papalitan ko lang yung kulay ng aking pang-annotate para makita siya sa slide. Okay, so, let us now evaluate, no? So, yung evaluating, kung matatandaan niyo yung mga formula, halimbawa, nagsosolve ka ng perimeter area, di ba? You follow the formula, ibig sabihin kung ano yung given na length at given na width, o kaya ay dimensions, you just replace the ones in the formula. So, parang ganito yung parang ganun yung gagawin natin today. No, so let us say the given algebraic expression is the formula, and here are the given values or lengths. So we have P plus 2Q plus 3R. No po? So again, we replace the variables with its equivalent. No? And when we replace, the operations will be preserved. So ibig sabihin, kung addition to, addition pa rin siya pagbaba dito. Okay? Kung multiplication ito, always remember pag isang number or isang letter or several letters are written side by side, it means that the operation is multiplication. No, so multiply. So ibig sabihin, pagbaba nito, kung P becomes 2, we bring down addition sign and bring down lang din yung 2. No, hindi siya magiging 24. No, it won't be 24 kasi 2 times Q ito. So, it's 2 times 4. Sorry, 2 times 4. Bring down the plus sign. And 3R will not become 3 minus 5. No, kasi multiplication ulit to. Therefore, it's 3 times negative 5. Okay? So, now, let us decide kung anong operation ng uunahin. Na po. So, for PEMDAS, no, P, wala naman tayo, may parenthesis tayo, but hindi naman operation yung nasa loob niya. So, slash ito, hindi natin ito gagamitin. We don't have exponents as well. No, meron na tayong multiplication, so ito muna ang gagawin natin. Wala tayong division, may addition tayo, and probably magka-subtraction. So, hanggang dito muna tayo sa multiplication. Let us do multiplication first. So, since 2 is addition naman to, no? So, bring down lang muna natin yung 2, hindi pa siya involved. Plus, 2 times 4. Okay, so 2 times 4, we have 8. And 3 times negative 5 is negative 15 na po. So, negative. Lagyan ko lang ng parenthesis para separate siya doon sa ating plus sign. No? So, pwede rin namang minus 15. No? Ganun din naman yun. Then, we do addition left to right. So, 2 plus 8 is 10. And 10 plus negative 15, diba? Different signs. You subtract the number and copy the sign of the greater of the integer with higher absolute value, no? So, sa 10 at sa 15, mas malaki yung absolute value ng 15, no? So, kaya ang final answer natin is negative. Subtracting 15 minus 10, it's 5, no? So, it's negative 5. Okay? So, again, if you give value to each of the variables, saka ka lang magkakaroon ng isang value sa iyong final answer. Pero kung wala, no, kung wala kang binigay na value ng variable, so wala ka pong pwedeng gawin dito sa ating given polynomial, no? So, hindi naman kasi similar tong mga to. Okay? So, let us have another example. 2x squared y, evaluate if the given value for x is negative 3 and y equals 2, no? So, again, first step is to replace, no? So, 2 times x squared times y po, yan, no? So, sunod-sunod na sinulat, so that is multiplication. Therefore, when we replace, hindi siya magiging 2 minus 3 squared, no? Dahil multiplication to, kulong natin in a parenthesis yung negative 3. Okay? And y will become 2. No? So, multiply din yan. So, lagay natin sa loob ng parenthesis to show that we're multiplying. Again, we won't use x for multiplying na, ha? So, what we're going to use will be parenthesis. So, now, sa PEMDAS natin, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, no? So, may parenthesis nga, pero wala namang operation sa loob. So, hindi natin to gagawin. May exponent. So, una natin gawin ang exponent. So, when you raise a certain number in a certain exponent, no, at may sign siya, make sure na you copy the sign as well, no? So, ibig sabihin, negative 3 squared is equal to negative 3 times negative 3. Hindi siya negative 3 times 3. No, so, negative 3 times negative 3, and negative times negative is positive. Yan, positive 9 na siya, no? So, lagay ulit lang natin yun dun. So, 2 times 9. Bring down lang natin yung dalawang hindi natin ginamit, which is yung dalawang 2. So, okay na tayo sa exponent. Let us now multiply. So, ibig sabihin, wala na namang ibang operation dito. So, hindi na tayo mag-divide, mag-add at mag-subtract. Okay, so multiply lang po, left to right. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 times 2, 2 times 9, let's ulit ko muna ha, 18. Then, 18 times 2, this one is 36. Okay. So, try to do this one, and pause nyo po yung video, no? And try to do this one, then reveal natin yung sagot maya-maya. Okay, so i-try po natin, i-reveal na natin yung answer. So, since we have x, y raised to the third power, no, this will be equal to 2 times 2, no? So, 2 times 2, multiply din ang ibig sabihin ng dot na to, 2 times 2 raised to the third power. But naging 2 kasi po yun yung sinabing value ng variables. So, 2 times 2 is 4. And 4 cubed, we already know that that is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Times 4 is 64. Next. We have here a fraction, no? So, again, recap tayo, no? Pag fraction siya, you can also consider it as a division statement, no? So, ibig sabihin, pag kasubstitute natin, okay, ang goal mo muna is to reduce the numerator into one number and the same with the denominator, no? So, pag tigisang number na yun nasa taas at nasa baba ng fractional line, pwede ka na mag-divide. Okay, so let's evaluate. Our given is 3c plus 5. 3c plus 5 over 4d. Okay, so 3c, 3 times c. Palitan natin yung c ng kanyang katumbas, which is 5. So, hindi siya 35, it's 3 times 5. Then, bring down or kopya lang natin yung 5 pa na i-add. Okay? All over, 4 times d, d is 1, so 4 times 1 ang ating ilalagay. So, for PEMDAS, so may parenthesis, pero again, wala naman tayong operation sa loob ng parenthesis, so hindi natin to gagawin. Wala rin namang exponent. Multiplication, meron tayong multiply. So, i-multiply muna natin. So, we have 3 times 5. This is 15. Bring down lang muna yung 5. Over 4 times 1 is 4. Next, so tapos na tayo sa multiply, division. Hindi pa tayo pwedeng mag-divide kahit pa division ang nabanggit dito. Bakit? Kasi hindi pa natin to na-reduce into one number each. No, so skip natin yung division. Let us first add or subtract. No, so addition po ito. Let us add 15 plus 5 is 20. Kopya lang yung 4. and then saka tayo mag-divide. No po? So, pwede mong isipin na itong numerator na to, no, pag ang polynomial ay nasa numerator or nasa denominator, pwede mong isipin na naka-parenthesis siya, hindi lang nakasulat. No? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan gawin mo muna lahat yon bago ka mag-divide. So, now, we've already reduced the numerator and the denominator into one number each. Pwede na tayo mag-divide. Okay, so 20 divided by 4, both are positive naman. So, this one will be positive 5. Okay, so for our last example, no, try nyo po muna tong gawin. Pause the video and then reveal natin to maya-maya. Okay, so reveal natin yung answer. Since we have 2x plus 5y, this is 2 times x. Okay, 2 times x. Therefore, replace x by negative 4. It will become 2 times negative 4 plus 5 times y. Y is 2, so it will become 5 times 2. Okay? So, following the order of operations, we will first multiply before adding. So, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Different signs, no? Unlike signs, I mean. So, negative 8. And 5 times 2 is 10. Now, adding integers with different signs, no? Kapag different ang signs niya, imagine mo yung positive yung pera mo and yung negative yung babayaran mo, no? So, kung halimbawa, 10 pesos ang yung pera and 8 pesos yung babayaran mo, may matitira kang sukling 2 piso. No po? So, pera mo tong 2 pisong ito. Okay. So, again, recall ng rule, no? Different signs. For addition to, subtract. Okay? So, ayan.